Hello guys, good morning and good morning. This is Africa, Kenya, in East Africa. Now, I'm in Nakuru town in Kenya, East Africa. There's something that is happening right now at the central police station in Nakuru that I'm told a friend of mine when I was just preparing myself to get out, at least to go to town. There's a friend of mine who has just called me and informed me that there are two gentlemen or two people, gentlemen. I don't know if they are still gentle or it has gone out of hand. Now, there are two gentlemen who are naked and on top of the tree near the central police station, and they are fighting on top of a tree. I don't know how true is that. I'm right now on a motorbike moving so fast to that place and probably see what's cooking, just to see, report to you and let you know. I let you know as soon as possible what is up and what is happening. So I'm prepared to catch up with the situation and record, at least give you some information what's going on. Yes. I'm on my way so fast. I've just taken a shower in the shortest time possible. I've never done that before. That's in less than 20 minutes. I've already taken shower. I've prepared myself. I'm out here, just trying to catch up with the information and give the real information on the ground. So stay tuned. Very good, brilliant, beautiful job right here. It's really nice so fast. Why they're fighting? But I think just their whole situation. This one's going to work. Naked. Wow, that's amazing. That's very crazy. Make sure you subscribe to this Odinga.
cars are parked badly away. Kuna nini mbaya kwani?
Sijui. Ndio nimepigiwa pia simu. Ngoja huyo aje. Guys, I'm right here and these guys are here and there are so many people right here watching and seeing what's going on and what's happening. So you can see these guys are there. Wow, wow, wow. So they're over there, really naked, and people are watching them. Look at that. That's the central police station. People are watching. People are watching them. Look at that. Look at that. There's a lot of traffic here. The police station is right here. They're just on top of this tree, right there, on top of that tree there. As you can see, they're naked. They're really naked. They're really naked. So you can see. I think they are demonstrating. They are not fighting, as I told you earlier. These guys are just demonstrating upside there. I don't know what are they demonstrating for. Is it the cost of living in Kenya? Is it what is happening? I don't know. But this is very, very, very crazy. These guys are right here and they are chanting, looking at the police station. So I think this is it. Their clothes, I don't know where they are. Their clothes, I don't know where they are. Guys, that's the situation in Nakuru City. This is Nakuru Central Police Station, and this is very crazy. You can see there's nothing that the police can do. Everybody is just right there watching and in surprise. Yes. So just out of the gate, you can see that's the gate. Lakini hawezi kuwa chizi. Hao wanataka tu kuna agenda yao.
Wengine wanasema wakitoka sehemu wakaachiliwa, panda juu, wakasema wanataka kuoana.
Kuoana?
Hivyo ninasikia na watu. Sasa ieleweki story. Unaona ni kama chizi wewe. Wale bibi yao. Lakini mmoja anaficha vitu zake. Kama chizi hizi vitu vitu. Chizi hizi picha. Hapo ndio hata nimeona.
Kama wameanza maandamano.
Yako imetoa picha juu nzuri.
Haitoki sana.
Kuleta taarifa. Yao wanataka lakini sasa kuwatoa jamii ni kingumu. Wanaweza kuanguka hapo ni kazi.
The police wanajaribu kutoa watu
hasa.
hawezi toka unless waweke tear gas.
Tear gas nayo wakaogopa waje wale jamaa. Ni watu wanaweka jamba.
The police are trying to move people out of the scene, so that I don't know why they're just moving people out of the scene. They are causing some traffic here, so that so many people who are going to work, there are so many vehicles, so they're trying to disperse the crowd at least to for them to leave the place. This is crazy.
Kama nguo ziko chini.
Waliweka nguo chini.
Ziko kwa mahali pale unaona.
Sawa. Haya. Asante afande.
Ngoja nguo pige ile nguo kwa. Unaona?
Ndio niende huko. These are their clothes here. I want to show you their clothes. Though the police are chasing people out. This is the central police station over there. Now these are their clothes. They've left their clothes over here. So that they are chanting on top of this tree over here. So I don't know why. So the police are moving people out of the scene. Their clothes are over there. They are chanting on the top of the tree over there. They are chanting. They are chanting. So this is very crazy. This is very crazy, guys. You can see that we don't know what's happening. Are they mentally? Do they have a mental problem? Over there, chasing people. Over there. So that's the situation here in Nakuru. I'm worried about the police. Hao si walevi, si nini.
Na nasikia kwa jana saa 3 usiku. Unaingia kazi?
Kuna mtoba kidogo.
Unaingia kazi tena.
Kwa video niweke YouTube.
Naweka YouTube.
Sawa, aki alama. Seriously removing people from here, I think. The police are chasing people right there. So this is the central police station. We are leaving the central police station. We are leaving, those guys are still up there and the police are really moving people out of this scene. There's a roundabout here and I think there's traffic, whatever. People have knocked each other maybe. So we are just here and moving. You can see the police officer in front of me. Let me divert, get some other way. So this is the situation here. People are suffering. Probably they have their own issues That guy over there is holding a Bible, and there's a lot of traffic here. Don't know what's happening here in this roundabout here. Station here. That's the police officer, and they are trying to block people. Sawa. Sawa, sijali. Yes. The police officer amenigonga. He has told me to move out of this place. Don't know what's happening here, but I think people are they still want to go back there. Yes.